ready to uncover the secrets behind your customer's journey and pinpoint exactly what makes them convert. In this video, we'll break down how to add a conversion path to Looker Studio, giving you the power to visualize and analyze every touchpoint that leads to a conversion. First, you need to make sure you are tracking your events properly. Ensure that all your events, such as page views, button clicks, and form submissions, are accurately being sent to your data source, like Google Analytics or BigQuery. Next, connect your data source to Looker Studio. Click on the plus sign to add a data source, and then select Google Analytics or whatever platform you're using. Authenticate your account and choose the specific property or dataset you want to work with. Now, it's time to create a calculated field. This field will represent the conversion path. Go to Resource, then Manage Added Data Sources. Select the data source you added, and click Edit, then click Add a Field. Here, you'll construct a formula that combines the sequence of events user takes before converting. This might involve using functions like concat or string underscore agg depending on your data source and the desired format of your path. The aim is to create a single text string that represents the journey. After saving your calculated field, add a table to your report. Drag and drop the calculated conversion path field into the table as a dimension, then add metrics like conversions and conversion rate. Finally, visualize your data. Experiment with different chart types like bar charts or tree maps to highlight the most common and successful conversion paths. This will allow you to quickly identify the touch points that drive the most conversions and optimize your customer's journey for better results. That's it. Now you have a conversion path added to Looker Studio.